Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into the world of service level agreements, or SLAs. If you're a business owner, a tech enthusiast, or someone just trying to navigate the complexities of service contracts, understanding SLAs is essential in today's digital landscape. We'll explore what SLAs are, their key components, why they matter in service delivery, and how they can influence your business operations. So what exactly is a service level agreement? At its essence, it's a formal document that outlines the expectations between a service provider and a customer. Think of it as a commitment from the provider about the quality and reliability of the services they offer. SLAs are crucial because they establish clear standards and benchmarks for performance, ensuring that both parties have a mutual understanding of what to expect from one another. These agreements can cover a wide range of services, from cloud computing and internet services to customer support and maintenance. By providing this clarity, SLAs help prevent misunderstandings and set the stage for accountability. To truly appreciate the significance of SLAs, it's important to look at their core components. First up is the service description. This part outlines the specific services being offered, detailing what the customer can expect, including the scope of services, features, and any limitations. Next, we have performance metrics. Now, this is where things get a bit technical. Performance metrics are quantifiable measures that define the expected level of service. For instance, latency refers to the time it takes for data to travel from the source to its destination, which is especially important for real-time applications. Throughput measures how much data can be processed in a given time frame, with higher throughput indicating a more efficient service. Then there's jitter, which describes the variation in packet arrival times and can impact the quality of streaming services. Lastly, we consider failure rates, which track the frequency of service outages or failures, something that can significantly affect customer satisfaction. Another crucial component of SLAs is the responsibilities of both parties. This section clearly delineates the roles and obligations of the service provider and the customer, ensuring everyone understands what's expected of them, from maintenance schedules to reporting incidents or providing feedback. Then we have monitoring and reporting. This part explains how service performance will be tracked and reported, including how often performance reviews will occur and the methods used to measure compliance with the agreed-upon metrics. Now let's talk about penalties and remedies. If the service provider fails to meet the agreed standards, the SLA should specify what penalties or remedies are available to the customer. This could range from service credits to refunds or other compensatory measures. Finally, the SLA should outline its duration, renewal terms, and the conditions under which either party can terminate the agreement. Understanding SLAs is vital for several reasons. For starters, they promote accountability. When expectations are clearly defined, it's easier to address issues when they arise. SLAs also play a significant role in risk management. By establishing performance metrics and penalties, they help mitigate risks associated with service failures, allowing businesses to prepare for potential disruptions and have a clear action plan if issues occur. Customer satisfaction is another key factor. A well-defined SLA can enhance satisfaction by ensuring that service levels meet or exceed expectations. When customers know what to expect, they're more likely to feel valued and satisfied with the service they receive. Plus, in a crowded marketplace, having a robust SLA can set a service provider apart from the competition, showcasing a commitment to quality and reliability that can attract new customers and retain existing ones. So how do you create an effective SLA? It requires careful consideration and collaboration between the service provider and the customer. One best practice is to involve stakeholders. Engage all relevant parties in the SLA development process, including technical teams, management, and even customers. Their insights can lead to a more comprehensive agreement. It's also important to be specific. Avoid vague language because the clearer the SLA is about performance metrics and expectations, the less room there is for misinterpretation. Regular reviews are crucial as well. SLAs shouldn't be static documents. Schedule periodic assessments to evaluate performance and make adjustments based on changing business needs or service capabilities. Keeping the language simple is another key tip. While thoroughness is important, clarity is paramount. A complex SLA can lead to confusion and disputes. Lastly, ensure that all parties understand the SLA and their responsibilities. Providing training if necessary and maintaining open channels of communication for any questions can make a significant difference. In summary, service-level agreements are a fundamental aspect of modern business operations, especially in service-oriented industries. They provide a framework for accountability, performance measurement, and customer satisfaction. By understanding the key components of SLAs and following best practices in their creation and management, businesses can build stronger relationships with service providers and ensure a higher level of service delivery. Thank you for joining us in this episode. We hope you found our discussion on SLAs both informative and helpful. Whether you're drafting your own SLA or reviewing one, remember that clarity and mutual understanding are key to successful service relationships. Until next time, keep striving for excellence in your service engagements.